Russia wouldn't sell the last version. America blocked it. Europe, no Russian technology. Pure Turkish engineering. So what exactly did Turkey build? SIPER can intercept aerial targets, fighter jets, ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and drones at a range of up to 150 kilometers. It features a K-band radio frequency seeker, one of the most advanced guidance technologies available. The defense post. Each SIPER missile is about 5.4 meters long with a 370 millimeters diameter, using a two-stage solid-fuel rocket motor and an active radar homing seeker. Overt defense. But SIPER doesn't stand alone. Look at this image. This is the Hakim system. Turkey built an entire ecosystem. Korkut for low-altitude Hisar, for short-range Hisar, for medium-range, and SIPER on top, covering everything above 100 kilometers. This completes Turkey's fully layered steel dome air defense network, tracking and engaging multiple high-speed targets simultaneously. And then, in September 2025, something even more shocking happened. Turkey successfully launched the SIPER 1D missile from a naval vertical launch system, placing Turkey among a rare group of nations with fully sovereign long-range naval air. Unlike foreign source systems subject to export controls and political restrictions, SIPER grants Ankara full control over inventory, deployment timing, and future modifications. What country do you think will buy SIPER next? Comment below. I want to know what you think.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.